Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make egg chapatis, and I'm also going to share with you my tips on how to make the softest chapatis ever. Yes, so I'm going to use 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Please save your flour. I'm going to use 1.25 teaspoon of salt in there. Yes, so you mix this properly. Okay, now this chapati recipe I'm making will apply to all your chapatis, where they have eggs in them or not. Yes, so I add my egg there. I'm going to use hot water. Yes, you heard me. I'm using boiled water. I'm using 1.25 cup of water, quarter cups of water. This is going to help your chapatis become really soft even after days. You know, that's if you can keep them that long. Now you need this for at least 10 minutes. Make sure your dough is soft and sticky. Now you add in a bit of oil. It's going to help with the stickiness, make it less sticky, but please don't add in flour. This will make your dough hard. Okay, now this is how sticky your dough has to look, as you can see there. Now you are going to let it rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This is going to help your dough become even softer. Yes, remember, the softer your dough, the softer your chapatis. Now, there is my dough after 20 minutes. Now you're going to cut your dough into equal parts, 4 equal parts. After you then make ball shapes using your hands. That way they'll come out equal. So now you're going to shape this out into your chapati. Yes. So now heat up your pan. Yes, and add your chapati. Please make sure that you cook on medium heat. Remember, when you cook your chapati on high heat, your chapati will burn and it will not get ready. When you cook it on low heat, it will become hard and crispy. So yes, it's very important for you to cook your chapati on medium heat. As you can see, this chapati looks nice. Just cook it on medium heat. Yes. So yes, you can cook your chapati there at least for 5 minutes. You will see when it's ready. It will show you. Now you take this off the heat and put it in a tight container. Yes, this will help your chapatis be soft until you're ready to eat them for days. So my chapatis are ready. As you can see, they look so nice. They are so soft. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting. Please check out more recipes. Thank you.